Mongolia, about 70 million years ago. The environment of Cretaceous Mongolia was characterized by high humidity, resembling a vast braided river valley accompanied by floodplains. Additionally, the presence of Karlichki-based sedimentation suggests a semi-arid climate. Gigantoraptor. Omnivorous Oviraptorosaurian. Measuring approximately 26 feet in length and weighing as much as 4,400 pounds, this Oviraptorosa surpasses all known relatives in size. Similar to other members of the Oviraptorosa family, Gigantoraptor likely possessed long, vibrant feathers adorning its arms. Similar to Gigantoraptor, it was likely that they occupied the region that lacked eggs, that this adaptation was advantageous in preventing the crushing of eggs and may have facilitated some bodily contact during the incubation process in these large Oviraptorosas. Gigantoraptor fossils have been found in Inner Mongolia, China. The name Gigantoraptor translates to giant thief. Its etymology is derived from Latin, where gigas gigantis signifies giant, and raptor denotes thief. This designation serves not merely as a title but also as an insight into the creature's perceived characteristics and size. The presence of a beak-like mouth and indications of an omnivorous diet distinguish it as a remarkable example among large dinosaurs. This mating pair of Gigantoraptor are searching for a suitable location to establish their nest. However, this area appears to be unsafe due to the numerous hiding spots available for predators and the insufficient food supply. This new location is perfect, situated at an elevated position that offers ample concealment from trees while providing minimal opportunities for carnivores to remain undetected. Additionally, it is abundant in food resources. This location is ideal for a developing family. However, it may pose certain risks due to its downwind position, which could attract dangerous hunters who might pursue the unsuspecting pair. Tarbosaurus. Carnivorous tyrannosaurid. It is believed that Tarbosaurus was a dinosaur that hunted in small groups. However, this particular Tarbosaurus appears to have become separated from its pack. This situation is particularly concerning, as this individual seems to be the pack leader, being the largest and oldest member, thus possessing a body size greater than the presumed average. Fossils of Tarbosaurus have been discovered in Central Asia, with the most notable finds occurring in Mongolia and China. Tarbosaurus had the smallest forearms of all tyrannosaurs. Tarbosaurus weighed up to 5 tons and was 33 to 39 feet long, so its small arms may have helped it maintain balance. The Tarbosaurus possessed a remarkably powerful bite force, capable of crushing bones with an estimated strength ranging from 8,000 to 10,000 pounds. This formidable biting ability suggests that it preyed upon large dinosaurs, such as hadrosaurs and sauropods, as numerous fossils of these species have been discovered bearing the distinctive bite marks of the Tarbosaurus. The Tarbosaurus has identified the presence of the two Gigantoraptor due to its exceptional sense of smell, and it now confronts either its next meal or a potential predator. A dramatic confrontation would unfold between a Gigantoraptor and a Tarbosaurus, each dinosaur confronting distinct challenges stemming from their individual characteristics. The Gigantoraptor, recognized for its considerable size and feathered appearance, possesses remarkable agility and speed, enabling it to execute rapid and forceful attacks with its elongated limbs. In contrast, the Tarbosaurus, a powerful predator characterized by its sturdy physique and sharp claws, depends on its strength and instinctual hunting skills. The male Gigantoraptor has sustained injuries while defending the female, who is safeguarding her recently laid eggs. Unfortunately, the Tarbosaurus continues to patrol the vicinity, seeking an opportunity to strike, compelling him to engage in battle once more. As the two engage in combat, the Gigantoraptor must skillfully evade the Tarbosaurus' overwhelming power, while the Tarbosaurus seeks to capitalize on its size and ferocity to bridge the gap between them. This encounter would serve as a rigorous examination of tactical acumen and stamina, highlighting the strengths and vulnerabilities of both species in a captivating display of ancient combat. The Gigantoraptor has achieved victory over the Tarbosaurus, successfully safeguarding his partner. In a harsh turn of events, the situation changed drastically. As the Tarbosaurus collapsed to the earth, its efforts to rise became increasingly feeble. Taking advantage of this moment, the Gigantoraptor commenced its meal on the defeated adversary, serving as a stark reminder of the brutal truths of existence in the age of dinosaurs, where the distinction between hunter and hunted could alter in a heartbeat. Nevertheless, the female exhibits a preference for a predominantly plant-based diet, indicating that the Gigantoraptor is thought to be omnivorous.